this set in the CBS or the computer vision syndrome. So it is the general term used to describe a variety of vision-related symptoms that may be aggravated by regular use of a computer for 2 or more hours a day. Etiological factors of CBS is working for a number of hours continuously without break. Distance from the screen is too close. There is glare on the screen or poor illumination in the working area. The posture of the worker is not that good. The angle of the head to the screen is also not aligned. Illumination at the workplace is poor and infrequent blinking of eyes. So to make sure that CBS will not happen, we usually advise our patient or the workers to do the 20-20 habit, in which we ask the patient to look at 20 feet for every 20 minutes for 20 seconds. So if they do that, if they start to shift from near to far, then accommodation and convergence is at play. Then the eye will be on resting position once the worker or the patient look at distance. That's why we advise them to avoid continuous computer use without break. So we tell them to do the 20-20 habit, look at far for 20 feet, after 20 minutes for 20 seconds. And always blink your eyes to make sure that the tears will wash away debris or dust, or there will be no dry eye on the part of the patient. But once there is dry eye, then, and you're sure that the patient have dry eye, you have done all the clinical tests and the dry eye questionnaire, then that would be the time for us to prescribe lubricant also for our patients. These are the signs and symptoms of CBS. Commons are headache, blurring of vision or double vision, dry eye, red eye irritation, neck and shoulder pain, and eye fatigue. Again, CBS can cause major headaches and blurry vision. Symptoms can be much more subtle, such as general fatigue. The following is a list of common symptoms associated with CBS. Again, headache, sore eyes, and blurry vision. Blurry vision may be not caused by error of refraction, but may be caused by because there is dry eyes. So when there is dry eyes, the image will not be that clear because there will be tear breakup. Then it will cause blurry vision also. There is fatigue and increased myopia also. Of course, there is a study that says that prolonged near work or too much near work can increase myopia or nearsightedness.